So we're down here in Leytonstone in East London. This is another project currently we're working on. So what we've been doing on this project so far is we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Customer wanted to go for a very mild clean. So some customers have a preference of having the brickwork looking really clean. Some have a preference of looking at like very mild clean, so not too bright, like an aged weathered aged look. So it all depends on each client. Then we are repointing all of the brickwork in a flush pointing style. Customers prefer preference, once again, a flush pointing style. Then we're going to be take you upstairs and show you what we're doing here. Then upstairs we will be tuck pointing all the arches. So all of this gauged archwork is all going to be tuck pointed. All of the arches are going to be tuck pointed throughout. So we're going to tuck point all of the arches. Our lad started one yesterday, so tuck pointing his arches through here. There we go. So nice finish on this. So like I say, not every customer wants the brickwork looking really clean. Some customers do, but some customers don't even like the brickwork clean. So you can choose if you'd like the brickwork cleaned, have a mild clean. So we do different types of level cleaning. So we always give our customers an option for a very full bright clean, a mild clean, or no clean at all. So then we're going to be decorating the stonework, so getting all the loose flaky paint off of all the stonework, stripping it back, redecoration to all of the stonework, possibly new fascia board and gutter, new plinth on the base, and that's literally going to be it on this one. So yeah, so far so good, and we'll give you some updates next week when it's all finished. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.